Education is not only learning from the alone, it's rather learning beyond books. Every activity of the school is to make the child learn something more for life. A very good afternoon to one and all gathered here for 38th annual day celebration of Sri Ramakrishna Higher Primary and Nursery School. This special occasion is graced by Mr. Jairam Santa, convener of Bantarayane Nadavara Matu Sangha, Mangaluru. Chief guest, Sri Ashramelanta, alumni of Sri Ramakrishna School and entrepreneur. And Sri Amit Rao, alumni of Sri Ramakrishna School and TV and cine artist. Honorable correspondent of Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institutions, Sri Krishna Prasad Rai. Headmistress of Primary School, Mrs. Usha S. Shetty. Headmistress in charge of High School, Mrs. Shobha Shetty. President of Parent Teachers Association, Mr. Dinesh Shetty. Vice President of Parent Teachers Association, Mrs. Babita Krishna. Office bearers of the PTA, all treasured invitees, reward teachers and starling students. I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you. Prayer works wonders. Prayer should spring from the heart. Thinking of a supreme power beyond all human inadequacies is a kind of auto-suggestion. Over to the school choir for the prayer.
Ya kundendu tushara harada balla ya shubra vastranvita ya veena varadanda mandita karra ya shweta
Dance by definition is rhythmic movement to music using prescribed and improvised steps and gestures. But its actual meaning transcends this definition into a spiritual activity in a physical form. Let's glorify the Lord Almighty through the graceful entry of the Kathak dance team to present the welcome dance.
Kathak as a correspondent of this institution, it's my responsibility of welcoming all for this, one of the most important event of this institution. Both Sri Ramakrishna Nursery School and Sri Ramakrishna Higher Primary School, they are celebrating their 38th annual day. We have requested Sri Vasan Shetty, the Secretary of Bantriyan Nadavaru Matru Sangha, to preside over this function. Because of his ill health, he couldn't make it. But somehow, one of the representatives from the management is likely to attend any time. Sri Harsha Melanta is also an old student of this institution. I know him very well because he is son of one of the illustrious industrialist, Sri G.K. Melanta. He's very close friend of mine. Harsha, I know him, one of the most dynamic industrialist. Now he's operating mostly in Mysore, and we have selected him because he is going to be one of the role model for our students who are studying in these institutions. Similarly, we have also invited Amit Rao. He's also a TV artist and also he's acted in film industries, and is very talented and has got a very good future and very good prosperous life ahead. I'm 100% sure about it because he is also a product of this institution. We are very proud to have you with us, Mr. Harsha Melanta and Amit Rao. Other than that, we too have our past correspondent of this institution, Nitte Shashidhar Shetty. He has given most of his time in development of this institution during his period as a secretary and as also a correspondent. We are very grateful to you for your presence, sir. We welcome you on behalf of this institution and also on behalf of all the students. We have also happy to welcome Professor Shrikar. He is a principal of this Ramakrishna College. He is, by profession, is a scientist. He has took up the responsibility of the principal of this institution. He has got his credit, many credits he has achieved in his when he is serving the nation in different capacity, and we are very proud to have him in amidst us. Mr. Shrikar, we welcome you. We also welcome our past headmistress of high school, Usha Ballad, and also present headmistress, Shobha Shetty, and also PTA president, Mr. Dinesh Shetty, and as also the other dignitaries, and also executive committee members of this PTA, and my dear students and the parents of the students. They are the most welcomed gathering here because they are here to see the performance of their children, and how best they are. We know how best they are, but it is an occasion for you to see their performance and how far they have reached in their capacity in their respective talents. I welcome each and every one of you once again. I also welcome the media personnel and also members of the teaching faculty of Sri Ramakrishna College and college and high school, Sri Ramakrishna Nursery and Higher Primary School, and also staff members of Bansanga. I welcome each and every one of you. I take this opportunity to thank once again. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. And hearty welcome to you also, sir. On this auspicious occasion, it gives us immense pleasure to introduce the guests of honor. I request my colleagues, Mrs. Smita Rao and Mrs. Anuradha Rao, to introduce the guests to the invitees.
A smile is always the best form of introduction. To get information across to someone is the ability to create a compelling introduction, which is the most important factor in the later success in their career. A very good afternoon to one and all who have gathered here. It is indeed a beautiful afternoon, all soaked in delighted frame of mind. I, Smita Rao, it's my immense pleasure to introduce our today's chief guest, Mr. Harsha Melantha, son of late Mr. Gopal Krishna Melantha and Mrs. Shanta Melantha. Mr. Harsha Melantha, who had done his basic schooling here in Sri Ramakrishna School, was a very talented and an excellent orator. He was always a part of co-curricular activities also. He was a school people leader. Then he was the president of the 4th batch of Old Students Association. Next, he continued his education in Sharada Residential School, Manipal. He did his civil engineering in MIT, Manipal. In the year 1999, he started his career in an advertising domain in a company called Grand Tone Advertising. After 2 years, he decided to join a job. From the year 2002, he has worked in various corporate sectors like Wipro, Spectramine, WNS Pune, worked as India head operations for Theorem in an US-based company in Mysore and Bangalore. After 11 years, he started his own firm called Sia Medical Innovation, a dental chair manufacturing company in Mysore. He is a taskmaster and he has proved himself as a successful businessman, as hotelier. Fish Curry Rice is one of his popular restaurants in Mysore. Next, he started Yoga Dharma, a fully residential yoga center in Mysore. He also owns a catering firm, which is now one of the biggest catering companies in Mysore. Other than this business, he likes to read books, play squash, loves to interact with people. Happily married to Mrs. Urvashi Melantha, who is now the manager of the restaurants along with Mr. Harsha. Blessed with 2 kids, Miss Ditya Krishna Melantha and Om Krishna Melantha, who is studying in 2nd standard and 1st standard respectively. It's an honor to have our successful old student, Mr. Harsha Melantha, as our chief guest of today's annual function. On behalf of our institution, management, headmistress, and staff, we wish you a prosperous and a successful future. Thank you one and all.
Good afternoon to all, to the dignitaries and dear parents, guests, invitees, and friends. Any person can make you realize how wonderful the world is, but only a few will make you realize how wonderful you are in this world. We do care for you. I, Mrs. Anuradha Rao, teaching staff of Sri Ramakrishna School, take this great opportunity to introduce a truly multifaceted personality, a TV star personality, Amit Rao. As the name suggests, you are immeasurable. We are extremely thrilled to have with us Amit Rao. The extraordinary personality does not need any introduction, but it's time to introduce a super rocking, super cool, super talented Amit Rao. Let's welcome with a big round of applause and let him know how eagerly we are waiting for him. Amit Rao is popularly called as Agni Sakshi Kishore. Coming to his family background, he is the son of late Mr. Narayan Rao, who was the chief editor of Prajavani, and his mother is Srimati Geeta Rao. He was born and brought up in Mangalore. Coming to his education, he had his basic schooling at Nazareth Convent. From standard 1st to standard 7, he was a student of Sri Ramakrishna School, which we are very proud to have you here. But I would like to say a few words here, as told by my respected Madam Mrs. Usha Shetty of Primary Headmistress. She recalls the memories that Amit was a very shy, very timid, very sensitive person who was behind his mother's pallu all the time. But now, time has changed, everything has changed. It has come in the reverse way. People are waiting eagerly to see him. That is Amit. Further, he did his graduation from Kendra College. And he has also done a fashion designing course from Nitte College and was a quality manager in a garment factory for a period of 2 years. Coming to his family, married to a very beautiful, talented fashion designer, Rashmi Rao. She is very popular in the film industry for her costume designing for most of the actors in TV shows and films. This couple are blessed with a daughter, Arula, which means brilliance, who is studying in the 4th standard. May God shower his blessings onto this family. We Mangaloreans have set a benchmark in the field of cinema and entertainment in Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, and Sandalwood. So today, we have amongst us a very popular personality to join us in our school day program. From struggle to winner, Amit has carved his own destiny without a godfather. He commenced his career with the serial Chitta Hejje. He then showcased his ability in other Kannada serials like Swati Muthu, Megha Murari, a very popular serial, Ibanda, Maina, Grahalakshmi. He has conquered immense heart by his dual role, brilliant comic timing in the film Dambarata. He plays a negative role in the serial Agni Sakshi, which is telecast in Colors Kannada channel and one of the show to receive the highest TRP rating in the history of Kannada television. Coming to Tulu film, Dombara Ata, Jugari, Dei Baideti is a present project. He has also acted in Tamil Simbalam. Right now, his upcoming project in a negative role is Ayanagudi, a Kannada movie. So once again, I welcome you to this great gathering. Opinions are like hard watches. Everyone's watch shows different time from others, but everyone believes that their time is correct. That's life. Your time has started with a good note, and let this time of life brings you hope, happiness, and popularity in your field of success. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Smita and Anuradha. Happiness radiates like the fragrance from a flower and draws all good things towards you. On this precious occasion, as a mark of respect and gratitude, we would like a proper flower to our distinguished guest. I call SPL Ms. Brahmari K. Shetty to present a bouquet. Today's chief guest, Mr. Arsha Melanta. ASPL Master Chirag to present a bouquet to today's chief guest, Mr. Amit Rao. May I invite today's chief guest, Mr. Arsha Melanta and Mr. Amit Rao, correspondent, primary headmistress and high school headmistress, to light the lamp. all, endow yourselves to discover the undiscovered talents of our school to compute a valuable gem to this celebration. We are delighted that your presence adds more flavor to this evening's cultural extravaganza. Sit back, relax, and take back home the sweet memories. The most lively and vibrant tiny tots of our pre-nursery children are going to take you to the world of joy.
Hey!
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me.
The cradle of which is India is a religion which dotes upon the birds and animals. All the numerous Hindu gods and goddesses are considered as the manifestations of one supreme creator, the Almighty God. The gods and goddesses in Hindu mythology travel in supersonic speed on birds and animals. Different gods have different vahanas. Now, my friends will perform a dance depicting the vahanas of gods and goddesses.
सृष्टिकर्ता है भगवान और उनका साथी है दिव्य वाहन।
हे गणराय तेरे बिना मैं आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। हे गणराय तेरे बिना मैं आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। मेरे अधूरे कार्य सानी निदा दबा कर दे तू पूरे आज सानी दा पानी दा पवन सरवनी नमो नमस्ते नमो नमस्ते नमो नमस्ते
प्रतीक है नियंत्रण का। हंस प्रतीक है शांति और समृद्धि का। कमल प्रतीक अपनी निर्मलता का। मयूर प्रतीक अपनी अद्भुत सुंदरता का।
सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता।
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते।
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता।
भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि
का प्रतीक है शेर, प्रतीक है शेर, प्रतीक है शेर। महिषी वाहन है यमराज का, यमराज का। शिव की रौद्र तांडव को नियंत्रित करता है नंदी, नंदी।
शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रियतम शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा। ओम परमेश्वरा परा ओम निखिलेश्वरा हरा ओम शिवेश्वरेश्वरा कररारा। सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके
मूसे
देवी नारायणे नमस्ते।
हंस कमल मयूर शेर महिषी नंदी। ये है भगवान के साथी, भगवान के साथी दिव्य वाहन, दिव्य वाहन, दिव्य वाहन।
to the world of cartoons. What cartoons? Yes, it was a great fun. Let me explain my dream. Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
चिटकी 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 ला 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 चिटकी 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 La 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 राजू 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 बड़ा है नटखट भागता है झटपट राजू बड़ा है नटखट भागता है झटपट यहाँ से भागा वहाँ से भागा फट 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 यहाँ से भागा वहाँ से भागा फट 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 राजू 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 बड़ा है नटखट भागता है झटपट यहाँ से भागा वहाँ से भागा फट 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 राजू बड़ा है नटखट भागता है झटपट यहाँ से भागा वहाँ से भागा फट 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 फट
Beautiful, stylized exploration of a rich culture. It consists of both structure, rigor, and emotional depth. So here we are with the new theme, the fusion of Indian classical with modern style. It is a mixture of Bharatanatyam steps with contemporary fusion. We would like to show the true universality of art.
ఝనన ఝన ఝల్ ఝల్ రౌవనే పొంగిండినాలో సంగీతం
జనన జనన తనన తనన తో జనన జనన తనన తనన తో జనన జనన తనన తనన జనన జనన తనన తనన తో జనన జనన తనన తనన తో జనన జనన తనన తనన గీత ధుని కుతక ధీం నాత్ర कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी ताल तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी ताल तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि कुतक तान गावे तक तै तै तान गावे तक तै 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 तक तना धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम हद तो मत गीत धुनि को तक धीम पदुमनाभ तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहो मैं सावरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो ताप संकट शरणायो सो हमारो तुम हरो तदीम तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तदीम तिरना उदनित तानि तानि तदीम तदीम तिरना तानि तोम तद गद नरि तान गर तान धीम गलरि गलरि तद गदा तार तद गमाम तानि तद गदाम तार दीम 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 तक तन अलरि तोम 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 तक तन तनि अलर तुम गीत धुनि को तक धीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तार तै तै तुम फिर तुम गारी तै तै तुम फिर तुम गारी तै तै तुम फिर तुम गीत धुनि को तक धीम निको तक धीम निको तक
Jum num ta rum ta dhalam ko tak te ko da de tang gida 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 jum tak jum jum ta takita ta da ta jum gida jum ta tanum ta rum ta takita ta de tang gida 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 tarita ta dhanata ta drunata ta dimita ta da jum tanum ta rum tagadim takita gida 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 dim ta tarigida gida ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam takita dhana ta tangira tarigida dim ta tarigida gida ta jum dim dak takita jum jum dakita dak jum da jum dakita ta jum kita tarigida ta dam tarita ta dhana tarita ta ತತ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತರಿ ತತ ಧಣ ತತ ಝುಮ್ ತರಿ ಧಣ ತದ ತಂಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತ ಝುಮ್ ಧಿಮ್ ದತ್ತ ಝುಮ್ ನಮ್ ದಕ್ಕ ತಗಿಡ ಝುಮ್ ತ ಧಿಮ್ ತುಮ್ ನಮ್ ತದ ತಂಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ದಿ ಧಣ ತತ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ಧಣ ತತ ಝುಣ ತತ ಧಿಮ್ ತರಿ ತತ ಧಣ ತತ ತಡಿ ಧಣ ಧಣ ತದ ತಂಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ಧಿಮ್ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ಧಿಮ್ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ಧಿಮ್ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ಧಿಮ್ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ಝುಮ್ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತಂಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ಧಿಂಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತೊಂಗಿಡತಿಗೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತಿಗೆ
Dhum dhum da na 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 dhum dhum agappa dhum dhum da na na de na 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 dhum dhum agasa ragda dhum da da na di ra na 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 da dagda dhum da dagda dhum dagda dhum 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 da na 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 de na 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 dhum da na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa da na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Niri bama ba niri bama ba gari sani. Pani sa sa pani sa sa pani sa sa. Gari ni sa ba gari sa ni da ba. Tadi gada tadi gada tadi gada. Now follow my lead.
Gari
Chirag of Standard 7th will perform Abhinay Geete. His performance has won first place in cluster level, taluk level and district level Pratibha Karanji competition conducted by the Education Department.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದರತು ನಾ ಕೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲೆನಾಡಿನ ಮಡಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗಡಿ ಊರಿತ್ತು, ಊರಿಗೆ ಚೆಲುವಿನ ಕಳೆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸಿರಾಗಿರುವ ಬೀಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವನಸಿರಿ ಮೆರೆದಿತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿಯು ನೆಲೆಸಿತ್ತು. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಗಿ, ಮನುಜಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಾಗಿ, ಧರ್ಮವೇ ಮನೆಯಾಗಿ, ಮೌನವೇ ಮಾತಾಗಿ, ಅಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದಿ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು, ಅದರೊಳು ಗುರುಕುಲ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದರತು ನಾ ಕೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ. ವೃಕ್ಷ ರಾಶಿ ನೆರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದತ್ತಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಧರ್ಮದ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಸಾಗಿತ್ತು. ವಾಸಂತಿಕೆಯ ದೇಗುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಸಂಗಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆಯು ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು, ಸಳನ ಪೂಜೆಯು ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ಒಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಅಬ್ಬರದ ಸದ್ದೊಂದು ಕೇಳಿಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಲೋಲ ಹೊಂಬಿಸಿಲೇರುವ ಸುಂದರ ಸಮಯದಿ ಬಂದಿತು ಹುಲಿಯೊಂದು, ಗರ್ಜಿಸಿ ಗುಡುಗಿತು ಹುಲಿಯೊಂದು. ಸುದತ್ತಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಕಂಚಿನ ಕಂಠದಿ ಸಳನನ್ನು ಕೂಗಿ ಕರೆದರುವಾಗ ಆಜ್ಞೆಯು ಮೊಳಗಿತ್ತು, ಗುರುಗಳ ಆಜ್ಞೆಯು ಮೊಳಗಿತ್ತು. ವೀರ ವೇಷದ ಶೌರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಸೆಣಸಿದ ರೋಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲಿಯದು ಕೆರಳಿತ್ತು, ಹಸಿದಿಯ ಹುಲಿಯದು ಕೆರಳಿತ್ತು. ಧೈರ್ಯದಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿ ಗೆದ್ದನು ಮುಂದಾಗಿ, ಊರಿನ ವೀರನ ಮೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಸಳನನು ಹರಸಿತ್ತು, ಕೆಚ್ಚದೆ ಸಳನನು ಹರಸಿತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದರತು ನಾ ಕೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ. ಹುಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಂದ ವೀರನನ್ನು ಗುರುಗಳು ಆಗ ಹರಸಿರಲು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು, ಅನುಪಮ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು. ಹುಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲುವ ಲಾಂಛನ ಹಿಡಿದು ಗದ್ದುಗೆ ಏರಿ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮೆರೆದು ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಾಯಿತು, ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಾಯಿತು. ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ತೇರಾಗಿ, ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆ ನೂರಾಗಿ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಹೊನಲಾಗಿ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ತೌರಾಗಿ, ವೈಭವ ಸಾರುವ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ನಾಡನು ಬೆಳಗಿತ್ತು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡನು ಬೆಳಗಿತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ರನ್ನದರತು ನಾ ಕೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ. ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪಡೆದ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ವಂಶ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ, ನಾಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕತೆಯನ್ನ.
The composite culture of India is influenced mainly by the people who attach to this land, their beliefs, lifestyle and language. The folk arts and the mythological beliefs plays a magnificent role in enriching our Indian culture. Today we will present before you some of the folk dancers of India.
মেলিয়া দেহা মনু তলা মনুরুরু করে ও জানমনি বহাগর বিহুতে ও মন সেঙেলিয়া দেহা মনু তলা মনুরুরু করে ও জানমনি বহাগর বিহুতে ও কোমল কুহি পাতে কোকো ফুলে বিহুতিকা দৰে অসমৰ সুখে কোনে তোমাক জানমনি বুলি জানে কোমল কুহি পাতে কোকো ফুলে বিহুতিকা দৰে অসমৰ সুখে কোনে তোমাক জানমনি বুলি জানে আশা মোৰ বুকুতে সপোন চকুতে সদায় জানমনি হৈ ৰোৱা
Tarangamal dance of Goa.
सगळे रबण गोयताव रबण मारून निस्तें धरून संवसात लोयताव सांजेच्या वेळार बाल भुरग्यांक बसय भरताव घरा येवन पडबो जेवण सुसेगाद न्हिदताव मांडो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत गाजयताव मांडो म्हणून नाचोन म्हणून निसर जाताव मांडो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत गाजयताव मांडो म्हणून नाचोन म्हणून निसर जाताव शेतकामती आमी शेतांत वयताव शेतां फोडून मेरो काडून गामरे वारोयताव रातचे घरा येवन आमी बाकऱ्यो लाटयताव जेवणा वेळार हिल्लो आमी फेणयेचो मारताव मांडो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत गाजयताव मांडो म्हणून नाचोन म्हणून निसर जाताव मांडो गोंयचो आमी गोंयांत गाजयताव मांडो म्हणून नाचोन म्हणून निसर जाताव
Tangta dance of Manipur.
Nung buuray-nung may mata nung koirangse nung silang day na biro nung sito'y rabi
nung silang buuray-nung may mata nung koirangse nung silang day na biro nung sito'y rabi
ढोली तारो ढोल वागे ढोल वागे ढोली तारो ढोल वागे हम डम ढोल वागे ढोल वागे ढोल वागे ढोल ढोली तारो वागे ढोल ढोली तारो वागे ढोल के आवी आवी नोर तानी रात रूडी संगेलम चोलोल के ढोली तारो वागे ढोल के ढोली तारो वागे ढोल के ढोली तारो वागे ढोल ढोल वागे ढोली तारो ढोल वागे ढोल वागे ढोली तारो ढोल वागे हम डम ढोल वागे ढोल वागे ढोल वागे ढोल के ढोली तारो वागे ढोल के ढोली तारो वागे
नात रूढी संगेलम चोलोल
के ढोली तारो वागे ढोल के ढोली तारो वागे ढोल के ढोली तारो वागे ढोल
घूमर ऑफ राजस्थान लावा डांस ऑफ लक्षद्वीप भांगड़ा ऑफ पंजाब
नी मियां तू कुछ चीर पाके रख लै पल्ले विच मुखड़ा लुका के रख लै नी मियां तू कुछ चीर पाके रख लै पल्ले विच मुखड़ा लुका के रख लै एवें करी ना किसे दे नाल प्यार मुंडिया तू बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तू बच के रही नी तू हुणे हुणे होई मुटियार मुंडिया तू बच के रही
Lavani of Maharashtra.
चैत फुलवेची रात आज आली भरात धड धड काळ जात माझ्या माईना कधी कव कुठ कस जीव झाला येडा पिसा त्याचा नाही भरवसा तोल राहीना राखली ती मर्जी तुमच्या जोडीनं मी आले फिरतीच्या या रंगी राया चिंबोली मी झाले राया सोडात तरी काळ येळ नाही बरी पुन्हा भेटू कवा तरी साजना मला जाऊ द्या न घरी
वाजले बारा
मला जाऊ द्या न घरी
वाजले बारा
मला जाऊ द्या न घरी
वाजले बारा
मला जाऊ द्या न घरी
वाजले बारा एकच पैशाचा मला घेता असं काय करता दाजी हिला भेटा की येत्या बाजारी हे सहाची बी गाडी गेली नवाची बी गेली आता बाराची गाडी निघाली हिला जाऊ द्या ना घरी
वाचले की बरं मला जाऊ द्या न घरी
वाजले की बारा
जी जी रे जी
எல்லாம் செய்ய முடியும் நீங்க எதையும் செய்ய முடியும் எழுங்க சொல்லாமலே நீங்க எதையும் செய்ய காட்ட முடியும் புரியுதா
எல்லாம் செஞ்சு முடிப்போம் நாங்க எதையும் செஞ்சு முடிப்போம் செய்யும் தொழிலை எல்லாம் நாங்க நல்லா செஞ்சு முடிப்போம்
உன்னை எரிஞ்சா உண்மை விளங்கிட
உன்னை நான் நல்ல வழி போக்கிடுவோம்
எல்லாம் செய்ய முடியும் நீங்க எதையும் செய்ய முடியும்
செய்யும் தொழிலை எல்லாம் நாங்க நல்லா செஞ்சு முடிப்போம்
இன்னும் கேளுங்க. ஆண்கள் துணையே இல்லாமலே பெண்கள் சாதனைகள் செஞ்சிடணும் பூச்சி புழு போல் நினைப்பவர்கள் தானா மூக்கில் விரல வச்சிடணும்
ஆணுக்கு பொண்ணு மட்டுமல்ல இங்கு நாடு நகரெல்லாம் சொல்லிடணும் குறைகளெல்லாம் குறைகள் கண்டு அதை செயல்கள் மூலம் காட்டிடணும்
எல்லாம் செய்ய முடியும் நீங்க எதையும் செய்ய முடியும்
செய்யும் தொழிலை எல்லாம் நாங்க நல்லா செஞ்சு முடிப்போம்
Changlo of Nagaland. Bamboo dance of Mizoram. song of Sikkim.
Is a folk dance form from Karnataka. Puja Kunita is traditionally performed by the people of Karnataka. In this song, people put wooden idols of goddess Durga on their head and dance to the beats of dole.
ಜನಪದರ ಬದುಕೇ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ಪೂಜಾ ಕುಣಿತವು ಶಕ್ತಿ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಕುಣಿತವಾಗಿರುವುದು. ಪೂಜಾ ಕುಣಿತವು ಉತ್ತರಿನ ತಿಳಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ದೇವತೆಯ ಮುಖವಾಡವನ್ನಿರಿಸಿ ಮೇಲ್ತುದಿಗೆ ಹಿತ್ತಾಳೆಯ ಕಲಶಗಳಿಂದ ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಢೋಲು ಬಡಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪೂಜಾ ಕುಣಿತವು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳ ಸರಮಾಲೆಯನ್ನೇ ಹೊತ್ತು ತಂದಿದೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಸಿದಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಕಾರಂಜಿ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಟ್ಟ, ತಾಲೂಕು ಮಟ್ಟ, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಹುಮಾನ, ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಕುಶೇ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಿದಂತ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಸರೋಜ್ ಮಧು ಕಲಾ ಉತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಹುಮಾನ, ಸಂದೇಶ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಸಿದಂತಹ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಕಲೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಹುಮಾನ, ಹೀರಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಿದಂತ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಕಲೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಪಸರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೀಗ ವೈಭವದ ಭಕ್ತಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಪೂಜಾ ಕುಣಿತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ.
A warm welcome to the 38th Annual Day celebration of Sri Ramakrishna Nursery and Higher Primary School. Distinguished President of today's Annual Day program, Mr. Vasant Shetty, General Secretary of Bantarayane Nadavara Matra Sangha, Chief Guests Mr. Harsha Melanta and Mr. Amit Rao, alumni of Sri Ramakrishna School, respected correspondent Mr. Krishna Prasad Ray, Headmistress in charge of Sri Ramakrishna High School, Mr. Shobha Shetty, President of PTA, Mr. Dinesh Shetty, Vice President of PTA, Mrs. Babita Krishna, Executive Committee members of PTA, parents, guardians, guests, well-wishers, teaching and non-teaching faculty, and my dear students. Your presence here gives us great joy and happiness. Small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. With a grateful heart, I warmly welcome you all. We are privileged to have Mr. Vasant Shetty, General Secretary of BANM Sangha, to preside over the function. I extend a hearty welcome to you, sir. We are truly honored to have with us Mr. Harsha Melanta, student of 4th batch, and Mr. Amit Rao, student of 5th batch, who have emerged out today as the successful dynamic personalities, which is obviously a pride for the school which has molded them initially. I extend a hearty welcome to both of my students. Another year of growth, another year of inspiration and promise. I have the honor to place before you brief report of our school activities, programs and achievements during 2017-18. School profile. Each school is a temple of knowledge and wisdom. Sri Ramakrishna Nursery and Higher Primary School is run by Sri Ramakrishna Charitable Trust under the management of Bantarayane Nadavara Matra Sangha, Dakshina Kannada, which was founded by two eminent personalities of our district, Attavara Balakrishna Shetty, popularly called as A.B. Shetty, and his brother Attavara Sitarama Shetty. The name Ramakrishna has been framed by combining the two parts found in their names, Rama and Krishna. In 1980, Sri Ramakrishna Nursery and Primary School was founded by BANM Sangha with a view to give a new dimension to the present education system. It's a matter of great pride to talk about the significant strides that the school had taken in these 37 years in academics, sports and co-curricular activities. Under the able guidance of the correspondents, Mr. Srinath Hegde, Mr. Shankar Mohan Punja, late Mr. Chittaranjan Shetty, late Mr. Sridhar Shetty, Mr. Balraj Rai, Mr. Shashidhar Shetty, Mr. Sundar Shetty, and Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai at present, and the HMs, Mrs. Juliana Di Mello and Mrs. Hilda Albuquerque. This year, Mr. Ajit Kumar Rai Maladi is the President of BANM Sangha and Chairman of the Governing Council of Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institutions. Mr. Kenjanur Somashekar Shetty is the Vice President. Mr. Vasant Shetty is the Secretary. Mr. Ravindranath S. Shetty is the Treasurer. Mr. Hemanath Shetty is a Joint Secretary. And Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai is a Correspondent. The member of Education Advisory Committee are Mr. Dinesh Alwa, Dr. Beena K. Shetty, Professor T.M.P. Pakala, Dr. Anusuya Shetty, Mr. Gopal Shetty, Mr. Ravindra Rai, Mr. Shashiraj Shetty, Mr. Suresh Rai, and Mr. Vinod Shetty. A child's ability to learn knows no limits. A bright future of a child needs the right start. As such, we aim towards achieving the all-round development of students, which ultimately helps the nation in becoming great and powerful. At Sri Ramakrishna Higher Primary School, we provide education of a high order. We are on a mission to provide a creative learning environment that recognizes the uniqueness of every learner. Through a variety of playway methods of hippocampus, we enable the children of nursery section and standard first to develop strong communication skills, English conversation skills, motor skills, and cognitive abilities. We have well-pledged computer lab and smart class facility to all the classes. CCTV secured, classrooms and campus ensure our safety standard. 4 school buses provide transport facility to our students. In addition to basic academics, the school is keen on passing on cultural and moral values of our enriched country. The object of basic education provided here is the physical, intellectual and moral development of children through the medium of a handicraft. As such, we try to discover the unique talents of each child and help them to flower forth, and thus we have the classes of bunny, cubs, bulbuls, scouts, guides, karate, dance, music, drawing, craft, and Bhagavad Gita chanting during the school hours. During the year under report, we have 94 students on roll in the nursery section and 581 students from standard 1st to standard 7th. We have on roll 26 teaching staff, 1 physical education teacher, 3 non-teaching staff, and 4 attenders who work with dedication and concern for the well-being of the students. This year, Mrs. Pushpalata, nursery teacher, won the Best Teacher Award from Hippocampus. Graduate Assistant Teacher, Mrs. Hemalata Shetty, presented her thesis in Hindi on the subject Savita Sim Ki Kavya Mein Sri Vimarsh and completed her PhD. On behalf of all, I congratulate them for their success. Academic and co-curricular achievements. A long journey towards excellence that presents a glimpses of various activity of the school. In the later part of academic year 2016-17, attractive and informative exhibition was held by the students of all the classes. Birthday of Swami Vivekananda and Subhash Chandra Bose and Republic Day were celebrated. Cubs and Bulbuls camp was held along with hiking and cooking competition. It gives me immense pleasure to present in the report that for the first time, our 5 Bulbuls, Yavanika Mutta, Prarthana V. Bhatt, Palguni Rai, Pratika Ganiga, and Prapti T, were honored with the Golden Arrow National Award. They also attended Golden Arrow National Award rally held at Gadpuri district of Haryana. Graduation day of the seniorhood children was held in a colorful manner, and students were honored by the chief guest, Mrs. Chitra Rao, Head of Academic and Learning Curriculum of Hippocampus, Correspondent Mr. Krishna Prasad Ray, Hippocampus Cluster Manager Mrs. Shobha Pai, PTA President Mr. Yatiraj Shetty, and Vice President Mrs. Suchitra Kuchur. This academic year 2017-18 began joyfully with Shala Prarambhotsava. I am immensely delighted to mention that another feather has been added to the crown of Sri Ramakrishna Higher Primary School by merging 6th and 7th standard classes with that of primary classes and by starting pre-nursery class this year, which made the faculty and the students to begin a year more enthusiastically. The students commenced their academic year with the formation of Students' Cabinet that actively involved in helping the staff in disciplinary matters and to conduct certain programs in the school. Brahmari Shetty of Standard 7th was elected as the SPL and Chirag of Standard 7th as the ASPL, along with the cabinet members, had taken oath in an investiture ceremony held. We conducted series of activities and competitions like quiz, essay, elocution and science model making by which students acquire information and knowledge. We also conducted competitions like drawing, singing, flower arrangement, rangoli, poster making, collage, Bhagavad Gita chanting and fancy dress, which helped the students qualitatively enhance their learning experience and thereby grow in confidence. Inauguration of the competitions was made by Mrs. Sandhya S. Bhatt, classical dance teacher, and Mrs. Kalavati, classical music teacher. Vanamahotsava and Parisara Dinacharane was celebrated by the students. Sapling was planted by the chief guest, Mrs. Usha H. Ballal, retired headmistress of high school, and Miss Jyoti Suvarna, retired teacher of high school. On the same day, farewell was given to both of them by the students. International Yoga Day was celebrated and the guest, Mr. Satyanarayana Rao, yoga trainer of Patanjali Yoga Kendra, taught some simple yogasanas to the students and enlightened them about the importance of yoga in students' life. Blue Day, Red Day, Yellow Day, Grandparents' Day and Parents' Day were observed by the students of nursery section under the Hippocampus methodology of learning. Independence Day was celebrated with patriotic fervor and enthusiasm. Mr. Nitegutu Sharath Bandari hoisted the flag and addressed the gathering. Secretary of BANM Sangha Mr. Vasant Shetty and Treasurer Mr. Ravindranath Shetty were also present. Correspondent Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai sponsored the prizes for the essay competitions conducted. On account of Independence Day, colorful cultural program was given by the students of Standard 5th. Teachers' Day was celebrated by the students of Standard 7th with lot of excitement. Teachers' Day was also celebrated by the PTA in a grand manner. birthday of Vishweshwaraya, Gandhiji, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Vallabhbhai Patel and Nehru were also celebrated by the students. On account of Gandhi Jayanti, our students actively participated in the Swachhata Abhiyana program and cleaned the school campus. This Swachhata Abhiyan will be continued on every Saturdays as per the program of the government. Sports meet was held in a spectacular manner at Mangala Stadium for the first time. Our alumni student of 5th batch, Mr. Vidyacharan Bandari, an athlete of the time, inaugurated the sports meet. The presence of Mr. Vasant Shetty, the secretary, and Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai, the correspondent, was the inspiring support for the success of the sports meet. Mr. Kishore Kumar Rai Sheni, PU principal, and Mrs. Babita Krishna, PTA vice president, were also present in the occasion. Marching of the students for the school band was a highlight of the meet. Excellence is to be understood as bringing out of the best in each child. Day of Excellence was a noteworthy celebration in the school to honor those who have excelled in studies by acquiring A+ grade and the winner of the various competitions. Merit certificate and prize were given by the chief guest, Mr. Nityaguttu Raviraj Shetty, President of Taluk Bantara Sangha, guest Mr. Suman Shetty, alumni of our school, a student of 4th batch, Mrs. Babita Krishna, Vice President of PTA, and Executive Committee members, Mr. Jayachandra Ray, Mr. Santosh Shetty, Mrs. Sujata Yatish, Mr. Ratnakar, and Mrs. Vidya. The year 2017-18 has to be recorded in block letters in the saga of Sri Ramakrishna Higher Primary School as a tremendous successful year. It's a matter of great joy that our students who were trained systematically by the teachers excelled in every field and were showered applauses in appreciation for their performances in the various competitions and sports. In the cluster level Kabaddi tournament, our students emerged as winners. Our students continuously participated in the various karate championships and won many prizes. In the recent Karate National Championship held at Mangaluru, Dhriti of Standard 7th won 2 gold medals, and Bhavish of Standard 7th won 1 gold medal, and Manvita K of Standard 4th won 1 silver medal. Bhavish also had recorded first place in Kumite Black Belt out of 38 competitors by scoring highest points. Shashank, Manishra Jogi, Sahil T. Shetty, Pratham Kumar, Abhishek, Charita and Charan also won prizes in karate competitions. In the cluster level, Pratibha Karanji, our students participated in 28 competitions and won 10 prizes, 10 first prizes, 10 second prizes and 4 third prizes. In Taluk level, Pratibha Karanji, our students who were qualified for 10 competitions won 5 first prizes and qualified for district level. In the district level grand finale, our students won 1 first prize, 2 second prizes and 1 third prize. This success inspired them for the further success. Central Library conducted inter-school drawing and essay competitions. In both the competitions, all the first, second, third prizes were bagged by our students. In essay, Shravya BS of 7th standard won first prize, Pranita of standard 7th won second prize, Pratiksha of standard 7th won third prize. In drawing, Ashish of standard 4th won first prize, Spandana of 3rd won second, Prithviraj of standard 3rd, and Trisha of standard 4th won third prizes. Our students participated in 20 competitions of district level Saroj Madhu Kalotsava conducted by Madhusudan Kushe School. In the primary section, our students won 9 prizes and in higher primary section 6 prizes. In both the sections, our students won overall championships, for which I am proud of my students. Next, they participated in 5 competitions of State Level Children Festival Kalotsava 2017 conducted by Sandesha Pratishtana and won 1 first prize and 2 second prizes. Next, it was Hira International School Global Panorama where we won 1 first prize and 1 second prize. Red FM 93.5 conducted Chinnaravesha fancy dress competition at Forum Pizza Mall. Many students of our school participated in it. Aniruddha of standard 5th won second prize of rupees 5,000 worth gift coaches. Chirag of standard 7th won third prize of rupees 1,300 worth gift vouchers, and Rekha of standard 6th won consolation prize of rupees 500 worth gift vouchers. Shraddha Bhatt of standard 6th won third prize of rupees 500 cash in essay competition conducted by GSP Seva Sangha. Niyati Rao of Standard 6th won first prize of rupees 3,000 worth gift vouchers in back to school competition conducted by Bookmark. Yavanika Mutta of Standard 5th won second prize in district level Krishna Vesha Spardhe conducted by Kadri Temple. I am very much delighted to congratulate all these winners. Progressive work in the school. Our management, being very much concerned for the development of the school, is taking several measures to make the institution a highly prestigious. We are very much pleased to state that we have started pre-nursery class in this year. We have associated with Hippocampus Learning Center to provide excellent education to the nursery classes and to set an example in the space of kindergarten by imparting education based on self-learning. This year, we also introduced the same methodology of self-learning to Standard First, and the classrooms were rearranged with eco-friendly furnitures. GPS has been installed for all the school buses. This year, one more bus was started in the new route of ARD, Shaktinagara and Kulshekar. I am highly privileged to announce that we have decided to have our own school magazine from this academic year. It will be ready by the end of this year. For this challenging task, I seek the cooperation of all the parents, my alumni and well-wishers. Parent-Teachers Association, an all-round development of a child is our mission for which we are striving for, and we receive wholehearted cooperation from our parents indeed. Their response and involvement in every task of ours is significant. On the outset of the year, PTA organized farewell function for the retired high school headmistress Mrs. Usha Ballal and assistant teacher Mrs. Jyoti Suvarna by honoring them. In the general body meeting held on 8/9/2017, the PTA felicitated the teaching and non-teaching staff in appreciation of their selfless and untiring service. On the same day, Mrs. Rupa and Mrs. Chitrakshi Shetty were felicitated for serving in this esteemed institution for 25 years. Mr. Vrashabh Raj Jain, retired HOD of Physics and Vice Principal of SPS College, Bantwal, was the chief guest who delivered a worthy talk on parenthood, the responsibilities and duties of parents and teachers towards children. On the same day, the office bearers of the Executive Committee were elected. Mr. Dinesh Shetty was elected as the President, Mrs. Babita Krishna as a Vice President, Mrs. Rajeshri as a Secretary, and Mrs. Sharmila Shetty as a Joint Secretary. Members of the Executive Committee are Mrs. Rakshita, Mrs. Deepa Nitin, Mrs. Rashmi Pooja, Mrs. Rihanna, Mr. Jayachandra Ray, Mr. Sahil, Mr. Padmanabha Shetty, Mr. Suresh, Mr. Santosh Ray, Mrs. Savina, Mr. Rama Nayak, Mr. Ravi Chandra Shetty, Mr. Vijay, Mr. Naveen Anchan, Mr. Pushparaj Ballal, Mrs. Lalita Ayor, Mrs. Vidya, Mr. Ratnakar, Mr. Suresh Shetty, Mrs. Sujata, Mrs. Saraswati, Mr. Harish K. Sanil, Mrs. Emalata, Mrs. Ranjini Bangera, Mr. Srinivas Shetty, Mr. Subhash Chandra Kanvatirtha. I am very much grateful to the former PTA President, Mr. Yatiraj Shetty, and Executive Committee members for organizing this program. Donors, I am extremely delighted to thank each and every parent of our school for their timely support and cooperation in all our school activities. Mr. Ashok Hegde, parent of Tanisha Hegde of Standard 5th, donated rupees 30,000 towards the new furnitures provided to pre-nursery and first standard classrooms. Our old student, Mr. Vidyacharan Bandari, donated rupees 35,000 towards the prizes and medals distributed to the students this year. Parents of Nihal K. Pujari of Nursery, Jaideep Munda of Nursery, Srijan of Standard 3rd, Likit Raj of Standard 3rd, Satvik of Standard 1st, Ishani of Standard 4th, Shika Alwa of Standard 6th, Charvi Rai of LKG, Sinjana of 3rd, Shishir G. Alwa of 4th, Anurag and Kotian of 4th, Tejas of Standard 1, Tanisha of 4th, Ravindra Singh of 6th, Sanvi Marla of 6th, Gauri Nayak of 4th, Ashwini of 4th, Darshit of 4th, Palguni Rai of 5th, Yashkiran Ballal of Standard 4th, Payal of Standard 5th, Shravan and Shravya BS of 7th, Kaushik of 7th, Prajna Anchan of Nursery, Danvi of Nursery, Yavanika Mutta of Standard 5th, Kirtan D. Kattalsar 5th, Anam 7th, Manvit 4th, Pratana Bhatt 5th, Gauri Shankar 5th, Brahmari Shetty 7th, Rekha AJ 6th, Samanvi 5th, Soham 1st, Kaustubh Raj 4th, Vashini 6th, Aditya 1st, Lakshan Nursery, Shravan 6th, Danushi 5th, Trisha 3rd, Vikyat 6th, Priyadarshan 4th, Vikshit 6th, Rajeshwari Ballal 6th, Sanidhya Rai and Sanmit Rai of 5th and 1st standard, Vishak 5th, Shreya K. Pujari 2nd, Sunil Sahu 2nd, Devika 6th. All these students' parents have donated noteworthy contribution towards the expenditure of the annual day. Dr. Asha Jyoti Rai, through her Asare Charitable Trust, has donated rupees 5,000 each towards the fees of Pranita, Standard 7th, Devika, Standard 6th, Kishan Shetty, Standard 1st, Bhavish Shetty, Standard 6th, Chirag, Standard 7th, Munavar, Standard 7th, and rupees 2,000 to Vishwanath, Standard 2nd, and 2,500 to Shobit Rai, Standard 2nd. I take this opportunity to thank all our donors wholeheartedly on behalf of the management. We remain ever grateful to you all. Old Student Association, we find our ex-students in the various fields all over the globe, for which I am proud of. Through their alumni association, they extend their noteworthy support to all the activities of the school. Conclusion, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Almighty for blessing our school with abundance. I am extremely thankful to our management under the able guidance of our President, Mr. Ajit Kumar Rai Maladi, Secretary Mr. Vasant Shetty, and Correspondent Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai for their great support in all our educational endeavors to let the school shine its light. I thank Mr. Harsha Melanta and Mr. Amit Rao, alumni of Sri Ramakrishna School, for accepting our invitation, traveling from distant place of Mysore and Bangalore respectively, for being with us in this evening to grace this occasion and deliver an inspiring message. Thank you, Harsha and Amit. The members of our staff have worked selflessly as a well-knit team with a lot of commitment. I place on record my gratitude and appreciation to all of them. My sincere thanks are due to PTA President Mr. Dinesh Shetty, Vice President Mrs. Babita Krishna, and the Executive Committee members of PTA who have contributed their might for the growth of the institution. In the noble task of shaping our future generation, we have miles to go, many more dreams to realize, many projects to actualize, and many plans on the anvil. These will become realities only when we join hands together to achieve them. I thank once again all our benefactors, parents, friends, alumni, and well-wishers. We look forward to your continued help. May God bless all of our efforts and endeavors. Thank you one and all.
This is the time we acknowledge the talent of our position holders. The position holders who have been struggling and facing many challenges and difficulties to be pioneers. It is the time to be bestow the winners of the academic year 2017-18. Hence, I humbly request our chief guest, Mr. Amit Rao, to honor our students. And I also request Mrs. Sashikala Shetty announce the names of the prize winners.
Good evening, one and all. I take this privilege to announcing the names of students who have excelled in academics and co-curricular activities in 2017-18. The top scorers of first standard A, Kashvi, Prajwal L, Karan, first standard B, Sanvi S, Mahim L, Digant K. Second standard A, Amrit, Akashi J. Kotyan, Inchara. Second standard B, Prakshubda, Janvi K, Pernika and Ruddhi. Third standard A, Divyarani, Yukta G. Shetty, Yashika N. Ganiga, first place in English essay, first place in Kannada essay. Ashlesh Subramanya, second place in English essay, second place in Kannada essay. Adarsh, first place in quiz. Sanchita B, third standard B, Sanchita. Bhavish. Likit. Spandana R. Nair, first place in quiz. Fourth A, Trisha S. Second place in English essay, first place in Kannada essay, Pavani Gagan. First, okay, move first. Fourth standard B, Kaustubh Raj, Anvita, Srihari, Ishani M. Pujari, Chirag R. Pratiksha. Fifth standard A, Sanvi T. Kottari, Pratika Ganiga, Nikhil Yoke. Standard B, Falguni Rai, Prarthana V. Bhatt, Dhanushi, Yavanika Vaimutta, Yashvin. Sixth A, Swarna Adyantaya, Saumya Vikshit R. Sixth B, Samriddhi. M. Guru Prasad. Anagamanvita. Rekha AJ. Varun Hebbar. Seventh A, Ayush Narayan. Lavanya Sheth. Shabari Shetty. Shraddha Sarvada. Seventh B, Pratham M. Malya. Parikshit P.K. Shravya B.S. Pranita R. Wait. Ananya G. Digant first standard. Digant of first standard. Come fast, Digant. Thank you. Over to Tulasi.
On the stage, parents, children, and all the gathering over here, to everybody. So, thanks a lot for Anuradha ma'am for the lovely introduction. Onte ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೊಗರಿಯರೆ. And thanks a lot to our very beautiful Usha Kiran ma'am for considering me as one of the chief guests here today. Back then, me and a lot of other guys used to have a crush on her. One of the most beautiful teacher then. And she's still beautiful, not that. So, I'm a proud Mangalorean. Pizza or idli or kaite tinpune, fork boka, knife for use man puji. So I'll go on with Tulu only. Role model pand later mulpa chief guest pand. So obviously success panda joke le gonji indo apundo. Success at easy ad barpuna pand. Obviously not. Must bange apundo. Lot of struggling efforts ippunaite. So shy kid pande rank. Yeah, I was a shy kid back then. I'm a typical last bench on the daddelaka. Must kalpune atyana. Teacher dala question kenda enkunji kenotchi mare pand mon anchi tupne. Enk kenda mini and mugindadake answer gottipuji. So inchi e type the student yana apaga. So mulpa success in the panondalerinike. So there was a lot of struggling days in that. Film industry or cine industry obviously Agnisakshi masjana tondale. I can see that. Gaddapura daya pudten kujal pudten manda go down to Lockman there if people are observing, I mean watching Agnisakshi following it. Alpa haircut per man parapuji. So I pudtini plus beton bete projects inchana commitment there. In the head down to gadda miss anchane dilen. So in the continue atane. So ಮುಲ್ಪಂಜಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಉಂಡು ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣಡು ಎನ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನಾಗ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೈಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಕಲ್ಪನಕ್ಲೇನು ಪೂರ ಪನ್ಪೇರು ನಿಕ್ಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಲ್ಪೋರು ಬೇತೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ತುಲೆ ಬಂದು ಸೊ ಅಂಚ ಪಿದಯ ಪೋಯಿನಟ್ಟೆ ಆನೋರಿ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಲ್ಪೋರು ನಿಕ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮನ್ ಪರ ಹಾಪ್ಜಿ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಬೇತೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಲ್ಪಲೆ ಬಂದು ಕಡಪುಡ್ದಿತ್ತೀರಿ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಎಂಕ್ ದಾಯಪಂಡ I'm here as a chief guest today, and thanks a lot to Usha Kiran ma'am for this opportunity. Mulpa enkonji guest ad leidere dapanda. Apogonji parents nakli bale puttilakane there are some 3 types of occupation. Doctor, engineer, boka pilot. Itte pilot onji minus atun pan plane jaasti atunde. Pilot ijjite doctor, engineer, boka IAS, IPS. Ee range de decide month budper. So enkli last bench students and onte kalpanet pira enkal nanchinaklu ode oppir nennu nyan aidu bokka. So enkal mulpul aite politics avaru cinema industry avaru bete areas undu. Yeah, we exist mulpul enklu So coming to film industry, it was like 14 years. Struggling ittund. Right from our school days, uncle, we are not decided what we should do pandu. First day uncle prepare anda. Indu uncle manpo bandu. Maybe we would have kept a target, a goal, and we have done it. We would have done it. But apagada paristhiti bete ittund. As ma'am mentioned, I was a shy kid. Amme rottige ijjande. So it was like totally my mom who looked after me. Our LIC agent boka blouse pieces pura marondu fees pura koronittere. Yeah, I should thank a lot to Hilda ma'am. I think she's not here today. I mean, not in the program today. Hilda ma'am, prati tingal almost late fees pandonji enklege memo baronittan. Onchelle cheati varpunu fees kattidija bandu. So avu enkelna paristhiti ittunde. So that was why I was behind my mom's pallu. Onji portda nuppogla churu bangaitana ಆ ಟೈಮ್. So ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ I led my life over here. So went to Bangalore, fashion designing pura maltade. So there I was working in some garment industry, fashion designing mantini pande. After that I came into film industry, modeling avu indu pande. I mean, things were not easy. Immediate adu erla detonu jere. People ask money or opportunities aspects tikkuji. So it was nearly 14 years, a lot of struggling in that. So I would like to call my mom and one more angel, because inik enna one solo hit success undu dana inik success happen mast undu achievement. This is nothing actually, but on stage inik untonde panda, there are reasons behind that. So enna solo success hattinda actually, because my mom enna mom na success at equal adundu. And there was one more angel who came into my life, my wife. In a cinema industry struggling stage, she was my backbone. And I like to show, I mean, all the kids also, like, who they are. Anta. Putta, please get both of you. Oh, sorry. Simple introduction Mantiji. This is my kid, Arula Pandu. This is my wife, my mom. Mekelna equal success net enna mulpa untonde pannaga mekelna ate mulpa efforts undu enan toondre avadu male efforts undu ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಅಮ್ಮೇರು ಇಜ್ಜಂದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇಜ್ಜಂದೆ ಮಗನ್ ಜನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆನ್ ತೂನು ಭಾರಿ ಬಂಗೊಂಡು ಅಂಚಿನ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನನ್ನ ಆತು ತೂಂಜು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಡೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊರಡು ಪಂದು ಮುಲ್ಪ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣಡು ಪಾಡ್ದವಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಮೇನ್ ಪದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಪಾವಡು ಎಂಕ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸಾಂಕ್ದೇರ ಮೀನ್ ತೂಂದಿರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಾಗ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್. ಎಂಕ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಇಜ್ಜಿ ದಾದಾನ ಆಪುಂಡು ಮನ್ಪು ಬಂದು ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಅದು ಪೋಯ್ಲೆಕ್ಕನೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇಪ್ಪುಜಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಡೇಸ್ ಇಡು ಪೂರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಂತದು ದಾಲ ಮನ್ಪ ಖಂಡಿತ ಬಂದು ಶಿ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ದಾದನ ಒಂಜಿ ಆಪುಂಡು ಪಂದು ಒಂಜಿ ಅವೊಂದುಂಡು. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಐಟ್ ಜೋಕ್ಲು ನಿಖಿಲ್ ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಎ ಗೋಲ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ದಾದ ಔಟ್ ಪಂಡು ಇತ್ತೇನೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೀವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗೋಲ್. ಅವೇ ನಿಖಿಲ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಪಂದು ನಿಖಿಲು life lead manple, you will achieve that goal. Anybody in that matter. So thank you, thanks a lot. Pura tedila kela kuldare tati bottoli free you. Okay, okay, thank you. Yeah, I forgot. Special thanks to Usha Ballal ma'am also. She was HM back then in high school, and Usha Kiran ma'am and Hilda ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks everybody.
May I request Honorable Correspondent Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai to present a shawl and a memento as an effort of appreciation to the esteemed guest Mr. Amit Rao. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, due to his predetermined schedule, our chief guest, Mr. Amit Rao, has to leave now. We are extremely thankful to him for being with us on this occasion.
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ Dhriti A of Standard 7 participated in the national level karate championship and bagged 4 gold medals. Bhavish of Standard 7 also participated in the national level karate championship and bagged 3 gold medals. He also participated in the district level Pratibha Karanji and won the bronze medal in clay modeling competition. Manvita of Standard 4 bagged silver medal in national level karate championship. In cluster level Kabaddi tournament, our students of 7th standard won the first place. I call upon the Kabaddi players to the dais to receive the trophy. Central Library conducted inter-school drawing and essay writing competition. In both the competition, first, second and third prizes were bagged by our following talented students. In essay writing, Shravya BS, first place. Pranita of Standard 7, second place. Pratiksha of Standard 7, third place. In drawing competition, Ashish of Standard 4th won the first place. Spandana of Standard 4th, second prize. Prithvi Raj of Standard 3rd, third prize. Trisha of Standard 4th, third prize. In district level Saroj Madhu Kala Utsav 2017, the following students bagged various prizes in diverse cultural competitions. In Rangoli competition, Shraddha Sarvada and Sakshi Shetty of Standard 7 won first place. Bhavish and Arjun Rao won the second place in Rangoli competition. In flower arrangement, Pratham Malya of Standard 7 won the first place. Shika Alwa won the second place in flower arrangement competition. In Kolata, Chirag P, Pranit, Arsha, Sumuk, Tushar, Bhavish, Shrijesh, Nitesh, Parikshit won the third place. Our proud students won first place in folk dance competition, Pooja Kunita. I call upon Shravya BS, Shreya, Vibha, Disha, Shika, Janvi, Danvi, Nikhil, Tejas and Kaushik to come up on the dais. Thank you, Arsha. The same team Thank you, Arsha Melanta. The same team participated in the cluster level, taluk level and district level Pratibha Karanji competition conducted by Education Department. I request our correspondent, Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai, to honor our proud students. Please, sir.
All parents, please note, these people have achieved in district level and state level and national level. And in the class level, school level, we are already honored them. Therefore, please encourage them by giving a big clap.
Please give a big round of applause for them.
The same team participated in state level Children's Festival Kalotsava 2017 conducted by Sandesha Pratisthana and won the first place. Our proud students participated in Hira International School, conducted Global Panorama 2017 and won first place. I request Mr. Sanchit and Pritesh, the choreographers, to please come up on the dais and join with us. I request the audience to congratulate the winners by giving a big round of applause. I request our correspondent to honor the choreographers with memento. Thank you, sir. I am very much delighted to announce dance. Nirishma Rai. Taniksha of Standard 4th won the second place. Flower arrangement, Trisha Shetty won the third prize. Ishani and Ashwini won the third prize in Rangoli competition. Pratiksha of Standard 4th won third place in Eastern Singing competition. Chirag, Gagan, Akshit, Kausto, Nikhil, Sai Danvit, Saurabh and Danvit Ver won the third place in Kolata competition. Yashika Ganiga and Spandana Ver won first place in Rangoli competition. Come here. Come here. Pratiksha, Aksha Naik, Divya Rani, Dhriti, Bhumika, Yukta were bagged second place in Bhajan. The same Bhajan team won second place in patriotic singing competition. Together. The overall championship of lower primary was backed by our lower primary students. I call upon all the winners to come up on the dais to receive the honor. I request our correspondent to honor our students. I request you, sir. The following students were participated in the state level Children's Festival Kalotsava 2017 conducted by Sandesha Pratisthana and won various prizes. Shravya VS, Chirag P, Shreya, Janvi, Vaishnavi Shetty, Shrijesh and Arjun Rao were won second place in patriotic song singing competition. Shravya BS won the second place in classical solo dance. Hira International School conducted Global Panorama 2017 and our student Trisha B of Standard 4th won third prize in drawing competition. In district level Pratibha Karanji competition, Chirag of Standard 7th won second place in Tulu Kantapata and Abhinaya Geete competition. Thank you, Harsha. Thank you, one and all.
Mrs. Ardhika Shetty. Thank you, sir. With great honor and pride, we take this great opportunity to honor our own teacher, Mrs. Hemalata Shetty, for completing her PhD in Hindi from Dharwad University. She got a PhD degree for the particular thesis, Savita Singh Ki Kavi Mein Stri Vimarsh. Over to PTA members.
ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅಭಿನಂದನಾ ಪತ್ರ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಹೇಮಲತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಇವರು ಸವಿತಾ ಸಿಂಹಿಕಿ ಕಾವ್ಯಮೇ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಮರ್ಶ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಿದ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಾಗಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತ ಹಿಂದಿ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಸಭೆ ಮದ್ರಾಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ PhD ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಹಿಂದಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆಯಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಮಾ ಟಿ ರೋಡನ್ ರವರ್ ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಈ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. BA B.Ed ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದ ಬಳಿಕ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಇವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಂತ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡೇ M.Ed ಹಾಗೂ M.Phil ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ಇವರು PhD ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಾಗಿ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಜಯಂತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪುತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಇವರು ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶ್ ರವರ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಣ್ ಇವರ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಗವಂತನು ತಮಗೆ ಆಯುರಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಸುಖ ಸಂಪದವನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಕರುಣಿಸಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಕೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶಾಲಾ ಸಂಚಾಲಕರು, ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯಿನಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸರ್ವ ಸದಸ್ಯರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಸೇರಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಹೆತ್ತವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮನದಾಳದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬಿದ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ನನ್ನ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂದು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಜೀವನದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯಿಂದ ಆರಂಭವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಸತ್ಯ. ಗುರಿ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ದೊರೆಯುವ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ನಿಶ್ಚಲವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು ಎನ್ನುವ ಛಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಾಧನೆಯೂ ಕಷ್ಟವಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಪೂರಕ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮಾಜಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ದಿವಂಗತ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವರ ಆದರ್ಶವಾದಿಗಳು ನಾವಾಗೋಣ. ಕನಸು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತದರ ನನಸಾಗುವ ತುಡಿತ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವಕಾಶ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದೆ, ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದಲೂ ಹೇಮಲತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಾನು ಕನಸು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೆನು. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಆ ಕನಸು ನನಸಾಗಲು ನನಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಹಿಂದಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುಮಾ ಟಿ ರೋಡನ್ವರ್ ಇವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸವಿತಾ ಸಿಂಘಕಿ ಕಾವ್ಯಮೇ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ವಿಮರ್ಶ್ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪಡೆದೆ. ಇವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಂದು ಭಕ್ತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತಾ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ PhDಯ ಈ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಸಮಯಾವಕಾಶ, ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿ ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಿಯೆಂದೇ ಕರೆಯಬಹುದಾದ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯಿನಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಉಷಾ ಎಸ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಯವರು. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಭಗವಂತನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮದಾತರನ್ನು ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಗೌರವದ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನೊಡನೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ನನ್ನ ಪತಿಯವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕೇಸರಿ ಎಸ್ ಪೂಂಜಾ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರರಾದ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಹರಿಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಅಪ್ಪುಗೆ. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಹೊಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಬಬಿತಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಸಂಘದ ಸರ್ವ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಈ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರುವ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿಯರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ತುಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು 101 ಮಾತು, ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು 301 ಎಂದು ಕವಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕೆನ್ನುವ ಮಾತು ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಸಮಯದ ಅಭಾವವಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Our former correspondent of Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institution sent wishing letters to Headmistress Sri Ramakrishna Nursery and Primary School, Bans Hostel, Mangalore. Dear Madam, thank you for your invitation on the occasion of your school day's 38th annual day celebration on Wednesday, 6 December 2017 at Sri Ramakrishna Educational Institution's ground, Mangalore. Due to unavoidable circumstances, I could not able to attend the function and wishes the function for every success. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, M. Sundar Shetty. To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. Now I kindly request our today's chief guest, Mr. Arsha Melanta, to address the gathering with his words of wisdom.
Beloved Headmistress Usha ma'am, Headmistress of High School Shobha ma'am, Correspondent Shri Krishna Prasad Ray, Principal of the college, Mr. Shikar, my Headmistress Usha Ballal ma'am, Ramachandra sir, teachers, staff, friends, guests, and all the little children gathered here. A very good evening to one and all of you. I'm not sure how memorable this evening or this event is going to be for all of you, but for me, this event and today is going to be one of the most memorable event of my lifetime. Standing in front of you is an old student of this school who today is extremely proud and absolutely humbled to be here. Extremely proud because not everybody gets a chance to be a chief guest in the school where he has studied. I've stood here as a school captain, I've stood here as a MC for the programs, I've stood here as a singer, I've taken prize, and every single time I've always hoped that someday I wish I get an opportunity to come as a chief guest to this school. And I've got a chance, and that is why I say I'm extremely proud to be here. Absolutely humbled because this organization, my teachers, the students and the staff of the school thought that I was deserving enough to be the chief guest of the school. When Usha ma'am called me and said, why don't you come as a chief guest? I said, ma'am, I will definitely come, although I do not know if I deserve it. I do not know if I've achieved so much, but I will definitely come as a chief guest. I'm 40 years old today. At the age of 40 now, when I look back, when I was in 7th standard, my father was 40. I think my headmistress was almost 40. A couple of my teachers were 40. And today when I look back, everything they said and everything they did for me makes sense. At that point in time, I think everything was wrong. I thought everything was wrong. I was not a great child. I was quite notorious. I was a rebel without a cause. I had to rebel for everything. I would not do the things in the right manner. But every single time, my parents stood by me. They thought that my son has to be corrected. They taught me how to be a good human being. Either I was treated with some wax or I was told what is to be good. So first and foremost, a big thank you to both my parents, my father is not here, and my mother who's here, for making me what I am today. Next, a very big thank you to all my teachers of this school. A teacher's profession is the most difficult profession in the world. I was telling Amit just now, illadiತ್ತಿನ ರಡ್ಡು ಜೋಕುಲ್ಡ ನರ್ಸರಿ ರಾಮ್ ಪನ್ಪಾಯರ ಪೂಜಿ 700 ಜೋಕ್ಲಿ ನೀ ನಮನೆ ನಲ್ಪಾಯರ ತಮಕುಲು ಬಂದು. It is not at all an easy task. Teaching is a very, very demanding task. I have a couple of friends who are teachers and I know how their professional life takes a toll on their personal life. A child is quitting every day. When I say a child is quitting, I don't mean he's quitting school, but a child is quitting being disciplined. A child is quitting being interested. A child is quitting his good habits. A child is quitting his interest. And these teachers have to bring back these quitting children back to the regular front. You know, education or academics is not the only important event in the school. We all think we go to study. Studying is not the most important event in school. The most important event in school is coping up with peer pressure. The most important event in school is preparing for tomorrow. The most important event in school is to become a good human being. So as a teacher, it takes a lot more than what we see to do their duties. So today standing here, I will say, for the rest of the world, this might be a school. But for me, this is a temple which has made me what I am. For the rest of the school, you all might be teachers. But for me, you are my angels of life. You are my superheroes. So again, a very big thank you to you, ma'ams, because you have made the life of so many children here. And And one of the things I want to say is hard work, discipline, and luck. Out of my own experience in my life, we have to work hard, we have to be disciplined, and we have to have a streak of luck. If one of them is missing, it is not going to work. I might be extremely hardworking, I might be very lucky, but if I'm not disciplined, sure shot failure. I might be extremely hardworking, I might be extremely disciplined. If I do not have the luck, I might not succeed. Luck is not in our hand. Hard work and discipline is in our hand. What we can do is we can keep working hard and we can keep staying disciplined. The day luck touches us, we probably will reach to a different level altogether. I want to end my 2 words by saying the world is very, very, very competitive. We need to prepare our children for this competition. I have a small poem which I wrote for myself maybe about 15 years back, which has helped me a lot every time I'm down. It says, early in the morning when the sun begins to rise, early in the morning when the sun begins to rise, every lion in the jungle, he opens his eyes and he realizes that he has to be faster than the fastest lion to see the next sunrise. Early in the morning, when the sun begins to rise, every deer in the jungle, he opens his eyes and he realizes he has to be faster than the fastest lion to see the next sunrise. So whether you're a lion or a deer in the jungle, you have to be faster than the fastest to see the next sunrise. We have to keep updating ourselves, we have to keep preparing ourselves for tomorrow, and we have to be good human beings and good citizens. Once again, I bow down and thank Usha ma'am. I thank all the teachers and children for even having considered me worthy to be in the school as a chief guest. And any opportunity to be of any service to the school and the students, please feel free to approach me. Thank you all and have a very, very good evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Here we have my colleague, Mrs. Sunita Shetty, to convey our gratitude to all present here.
While thanking the Almighty for His countless blessings, I am here to spell out words of thanks to all those who made this evening cultural extravaganza a sweet memory to carry home. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others. Honorable Chief Guest of the function, Mr. Arsha Melanta and Mr. Amit Rao, General Secretary of Bantara Nadavara Matra Sangha, Mr. Vasant Shetty, Correspondent of Sri Ramakrishna Institution, Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai, and other dignitaries present here, dear loving parents and well-wishers. We deem it our proud privilege to stand before you to place on record the contribution of every noble heart towards the success of today's evening. We wish to express our gratitude to our chief guest of the day, Mr. Arsha Melanta, for being with us. Your presence and gentle words of appreciation is a source of encouragement for all of us. Thank you from the depth of the hearts. Thank you, sir. We thank our guest of honor, Mr. Amit Rao, for all the words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you, and we thank you for being with us today. Thank you, sir. We thank, due to the personal reason, our secretary, Mr. Vasant Shetty, is unable to come attend our school day program. We thank the goodness of our secretary for his silent support and spoken words of encouragement. Thank you, sir. We thank our correspondent, Mr. Krishna Prasad Rai, for your periodical monitoring and unfailing support. Thank you, sir. We also thank the President, Mr. Dinesh Shetty, and Vice President, Mr. Babita, of the PT Executive Member Body for their guidance and support. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. We thank our Professor Shrikar Rao, Principal of Sri Ramakrishna Degree College, for being with us. Thank you, sir. We thank our respected headmistress of high school, Mrs. Shobha Shetty, for her kindness and support. Thank you, ma'am. Next in the list is our respected headmistress of higher primary section, Mrs. Usha S. Shetty,
for your systematic planning and timely execution of the program. Thank you, ma'am. We thank Mr. Vidyacharan Bandari, alumni of our institution, for sponsoring prizes and all medals of this academic year. Thank you, sir. We thank Mr. Suman Shetty, alumni of this institution, has come forward voluntarily to help the needy students. Thank you, sir. With deep sense of appreciation, we recall the efforts of our dear loving teachers. Your days of hard work did bring much fruits today. We thank you wholeheartedly. Our sincere thanks goes to the stage setters, photographer Mr. Nagesh, choreographers Mr. Pramod Alwa, Mrs. Ardhika Shetty and Sandit, costume designers and makeup artists Lalita Kalas, Dhanpal and team for making our students look colorful and beautiful. Our thanks to the sound system Sangeet Electrics who added festivity to this evening's program. We thank Mr. Vijay sir for helping our students with the band group. We thank V4 Video for recording and telecasting our cultural programs. We thank the caterers, Mr. Satyanarayan, for serving delicious food for the staff and students of Sri Ramakrishna Institution. We thank Mrs. Deepa ma'am for giving background to our program. I mention a deep sense of appreciation to all our non-teaching staff for their involvement in the program. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude, and gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. So once again, we thank each and everybody present here for your cooperation towards making a school day a grand success. I, Mrs. Sunita Shetty, on behalf of my headmistress and colleague, once again thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you one and all.
I humbly thank all the dignitaries and request our headmistress to lead them to their respective seats in the front rows.
ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಎಂದರೆ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಿವನಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಟಿ ಬೇರಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇವಾದಿ ದೇವನಾದ ಶಿವನು ನಟರಾಜನೂ ಹೌದು. ಇಂಥ ಶಿವನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೃತ್ಯ ರೂಪದ ಮೂಲಕ ತೋರಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳು.
ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣಯ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ. ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ. ಸುಂದರತರ ಪಿರಾಗಧರ ಧರ, ಸುಂದರತರ ಪಿರಾಗ ಧರ ಧರ, ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಗಜ ಚಾರ್ಮಾಂಬರಧರ, ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಗಜ ಚಾರ್ಮಾಂಬರಧರ. ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ. जातमपदनं गंगा चंद्र समागमतीर्थं, प्रकृतियुं निन्निल विकृतियुं निन्निल, स्वरंगलिलाय लयंगलिलाय शक्ति स्वरूपं. ओम शिवोहं श्री शिवोहं, ओम शिवोहं रुद्रं श्रीकरम्. ओम शिवोहं श्री शिवोहं, ओम शिवोहं रुद्रं श्रीकरम्. ಶ್ರೀಷ್ಮೋಹಂ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ತದಾನಂ 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 ತಾನಂ ತನಂ ತಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ 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 ತಾನನಂ ನಿಸ ಸಾಸಡಿ ಸರಿ ಕಾನಿ ಸಸ ಸ್ವಾಸಡಿ ಸಧಾನಿ ನಿಸ ಸಾಸಡಿ ಸರಿ ಕಾನಿ ಸಸ ಸ್ವಾಸಡಿ ಸಧಾನಿ ಪರಿಸರಿ ರಿ ಸದನಿ ಬಮ ಕಮರಿ ಸಂಗಿನಿ ಸಾಸರಿ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಸಕರ ಮಿಥ್ಯಾ ನಿ ಸಾಸರಿ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಸಕರ ಮಿಥ್ಯಾ
With the essence of patriotism, here are my friends who are going to sing a patriotic song. This song has won first place in cluster level and taluk level Pratibha Karanji conducted by the Education Department. This song has also won second place in state level Children's Festival conducted by Sandesha Pratisthana.
ಜ್ಞಾನ
Lord Shri Mahavishnu incarnates on earth from time to time to eradicate evil forces to restore the dharma. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. These 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu is collectively known as Dashavatara.
ಭಗವಂತ ಆ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನ ದಶಾವತಾರವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಲು ಅಸದಳ. ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಗೆತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಭಗವಾನ್ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣು ಮತ್ಸ್ಯನಾಗಿ, ಕೂರ್ಮನಾಗಿ, ವರಾಹನಾಗಿ, ನರಸಿಂಹನಾಗಿ, ಪರಶುರಾಮನಾಗಿ, ವಾಮನನಾಗಿ, ರಾಮನಾಗಿ, ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಗಿ, ಬುದ್ಧನಾಗಿ, ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಕಲ್ಕಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ 10 ಅವತಾರವನ್ನು ತಾಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನ ದಶಾವತಾರಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं. वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. बालपालं गजकण्ठमालं शरच्चन्द्रबालं महादैत्यकालं नभो नीलकायं दुरावारमायं सुपद्मासहायं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम् सदाम्बोधिवासं गलत्पुष्पहासं जगत्सन्निवासं शतादित्यभासं गदाचक्रशस्त्रं लसत्पीतवस्त्रं हसच्चारुवक्त्रं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम् रमाकण्ठहारं श्रुतिव्रातसारं जलान्तर्विहारं धराभारहारं चिदानन्दरूपं मनोव्यस्वरूपं धृतानेकरूपं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम् जराजन्महीनं परानन्दपीनं समाधानलीनं सदैवानदीनं जगज्जन्महेतुं सुरानीककेतुं त्रिलोकैकसेतुं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम्
मैं हिरण्यकशिप हूँ, मैं ब्रह्म से वरदान लिया हूँ। दिन हो या रात में, धरती हो या आसमान पे, शस्त्र से ना कोई अस्त्र से, घर के अंदर हो या बाहर, कोई इंसान कोई जानवर मुझे नहीं मार सकता।
मैं इस धरती का सबसे शक्तिशाली इंसान हूँ। जो मुझे नहीं पूजेगा उसका सर धड़ से अलग किया जाएगा।
मेरे भगवान तो सिर्फ हरि है।
हरि हरि क्या जपते हो? बोल तेरा हरि कहाँ है?
मेरे हरि तो सब जगह है।
हरि 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 सहस्रायुधर्षणं रण रण रणभुग्रं वीरम् अट्टहासधे बेट्टि ಎಂಟದೆ ಗುಂಡಿಗೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಸಿಡಿದೆಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಗ್ರಂ ವೀರಂ ರಣರಂಗದ ರಣಕಹಳೆಗೆ ರಣಕ್ರೂರರ ರಣಹಂತಕ ರಣತಂತ್ರದ ಉಗ್ರಂ ವೀರಂ ಮಹಾವಿಷ್ಣು ವಸಂತಂ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖಂ
छोड़ दे मुझे।
क्या तुम किसी माता के गर्भ से जन्म नहीं लिया है? इस समय ना दिन है ना रात है, तो ना घर के भीतर है ना घर के बाहर। देख, तू ना धरती पर है ना आकाश में। मैं आधा नर हूँ और आधा शेर। मेरा नाम है शेर।
ಯಸ್ಯ ಸಿರಿಸಿನಂತಲು ಚಿರಿಸಿರಿ ಹರಿಸಿದ ಉಗ್ರಂ ವೀರಂ ಸಿಡಿಸಿಡಿಲಂತೆ ಜಡಿಜಬದಂತೆ ಗರಗರ ಬಡಿವ ಹಠ ಚಡದಂತೆ ಎದುರಾರಿಲ್ಲದ ಉಗ್ರಂ ವೀರಂ.
ನನ್ನ ನಾಲ್ಕನೆಯ ಅವತಾರವೇ
कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा बात पर है खाद मौत की बिछी बिसात उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मारेगा जाग जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज आंधी है ये जलजला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किसमें दम है जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित 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 सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित
ನನ್ನ ಆರನೆಯ ಅವತಾರವೇ ಪರಶುರಾಮ.
राम राम जय सीताराम राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम.
लक्ष्मण सीता
सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजन पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती लोक उजागर दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजन पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक उजागर जन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजय कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजय जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक उजागर जय शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया प्रभु चरित सुनबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता वन बसिया रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक उजागर जय Shri Ram, Ram Ram Jai Jai Shri Ram, Ram Ram Jai Jai Shri Ram.
ನನ್ನ 7ನೇಯ ಅವತಾರವೇ
तट वो जमुना तट तेरे लगाए मुरली बजाए गोपियों के संग रास रचाए मुरली बजैया रास रचैया शाम सलोना है
वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है
जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला जिसकी दीवाने ब्रिज की हर बाला वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है
मधुर मधुर सा रूप है जिसका श्वेत श्वेत रंग जिसका सुंदर तन मन सुंदर चित बन सुंदर है अंग जिसका प्यार के सागर से भी गहरा किसका प्रीतम जिसका
वो राधा है वो राधा है वो राधा है राधा है
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि
ನನ್ನ 9ನೆಯ ಅವತಾರವೇ ಬುದ್ಧ. ಅವತಾರವೇ ಕಲ್ಕಿ.
This dance has been choreographed by international famed choreographer Mr. Pramod Alva.